Most people get this wrong when evaluating ServiceTitan. They see the powerful features, hear success stories from large contractors, and immediately assume it's the perfect solution for every home service business. But here's the truth no one tells you. ServiceTitan can be an incredible platform, but it's not the right fit for everyone. And if you don't understand the full picture, including pricing and long-term costs, you could end up paying for far more than you actually need. In this review, we'll break down ServiceTitan's key features, discuss pricing considerations, uncover potential hidden costs, and help you decide whether it's worth it in 2026. Let's get straight into it. First, what is ServiceTitan? ServiceTitan is an all-in-one software platform built primarily for home service businesses such as HVAC, plumbing, electrical, garage door, and other field service companies. Its goal is simple: help businesses manage operations, track performance, increase efficiency, and support growth from one central system. One of its biggest strengths is its feature set. ServiceTitan combines scheduling, dispatching, customer management, invoicing, reporting, call tracking, technician management, and business analytics into a single platform. For larger businesses, that level of integration can be extremely valuable. Imagine Alex owns an HVAC company with 25 technicians. Managing schedules, customer records, and performance metrics across multiple teams becomes complicated very quickly. This is where ServiceTitan often shines. But here's the problem. More features don't automatically create more value. This is where most people fail. They pay for capabilities they never fully use. If you're a solo contractor or a small service company with only a few employees, some of ServiceTitan's advanced functionality may be more than you actually need. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The biggest cost isn't always the subscription itself. Many business owners focus only on monthly pricing. However, the true cost often includes implementation time, staff training, onboarding, and the learning curve required to get the most from the platform. For example, imagine Jake runs a plumbing company. If his team doesn't consistently use the software, even the most advanced features won't deliver meaningful results. That's why adoption matters just as much as functionality. In a minute, I'll tell you who ServiceTitan is best suited for. But first, let's talk about return on investment. The businesses that get the most value from ServiceTitan are typically those that actively use reporting, performance tracking, and operational workflows to improve decision-making. The software becomes more powerful as business complexity increases. For smaller operations, simpler platforms may sometimes deliver similar results with less setup and lower costs. The bottom line is this: ServiceTitan is one of the most comprehensive platforms in the home service industry. Its strengths include advanced operations management, reporting, and scalability. However, the real cost goes beyond the subscription price. You should also consider implementation effort, training requirements, and whether your business truly needs its full feature set. Choose software based on your current needs and future goals, not just feature lists. If this review helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more CRM and contractor software reviews, and let me know in the comments whether you're considering ServiceTitan or already using it in your business.